numbers around meditation dropout rates show that many people can't stay consistent past the first month. And in this video, I want to tell you why this is so, why it's so difficult for people to stick to a meditation practice and what we can do to stay engaged. My name is Energy and I'm the creator of the stress relief singing method. It's a voice-based approach to meditation and it's especially made for people who struggle with silence and inconsistency. Many people quit meditation not because they don't care, but because they cannot stay engaged with it. They know that it's working, but the moment they sit down and close their eyes, their body still feels tense and they become bored and disengaged and overwhelmed by mental noise sometimes too. So it's not about discipline, it's not about willpower to stay. It's because the experience is not felt. They then become frustrated or they think it's empty and then they completely give up, which is quite sad because it really works. So the meditation numbers, the dropout rates show that there was a big study with meditation apps and it shows that during the first month, about 90% of people stop. It's a very high number, and even in structured meditation practices, like you go to a group, there's a 30% rate of early dropouts. It's not about willpower, like I said, it's just for many people, silent meditation just doesn't work because they are very stressed and they are analytical. And some nervous systems have a problem with silence. It triggers something in them, like the thoughts explode if you're very analytical, or if you're stressed, you worry so much and you stay in your head, you don't connect to your body, which is very, very important when you're very stressed, because we tend to be just in our minds then. There are people who can stick to meditation when sound is included and a gentle structure is included, because then their brains have something they can focus on, a very, very simple thing like sound, singing or humming. And this way they can be more consistent with it and engage, because the nervous system is involved also, because the vibrations, because you feel the vibration of your singing voice in the body, your body is connected to and stays involved. And this way, this meditation experience is felt actually. So for people who have a problem with being silent in meditation, I created the stress relief singing method. It connects breath, vibration, the singing voice, and it's very simple, it's guided. So all the time you stay engaged, you have the sound, you have a simple instruction, you use your voice, you feel the vibrations in the body. So it's very, very easy to be there, to be active during meditation and not to feel bored or empty. Actually, you don't feel bored, you just have something to do. And I noticed for myself, I'm a very analytical person. I also really struggle with silent meditation. I need something, a task, a little task I can do. So if you're someone too who struggles with it, let's check it out. I'm going to drop the link in the description box and you can just go and find out for yourself if this is for you, maybe, if this is a meditation practice that you can stick to. So not all nervous systems are the same. And I hope that this could help you too. So meditation doesn't fail people, but practices who are not made for certain people make people quit. And I hope that you find an alternative to silent meditation that makes you feel relaxed.